From New York, I'm Zain Asher. Welcome to the show. I want to begin with some breaking news out of Italy. All of Italy is now on lockdown. All of Italy is now on lockdown over the coronavirus. Italy's Prime Minister making the announcement at a news conference just minutes ago. He said the measure was taken.
The Prime Minister has announced the most drastic limits to our lives that the UK has ever seen in living memory. The aim, he says, is to save lives in this time of national emergency.
The number of confirmed coronavirus infections continues to grow worldwide.
The street is about to close any minute now. The Dow collapsing around 1,900 points today. Its worst single day loss ever.
To shop for basic necessities.
There will come a moment when no health service in the world could possibly cope.
A time of tremendous confusion. It's going to escalate dramatically.
Not a matter of if, but when.
But the speed of this drop is kind of stomach churning.
Developing overnight hospitals and healthcare workers bracing for an onslaught of coronavirus patients. In some cases, they're already there.
Nurses report they've stopped counting the dead.
Last night,